If you've lost access to your Ninja Forms account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you through the account recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Ninja Forms login page. Go to the Ninja Forms website and navigate to the login page. Look for the option to recover your account or reset your password. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Ninja Forms account. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure the recovery email is sent to the correct address. Step 4. Check your email. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Shark to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you have accessed the password reset link, create a new password for your account. Make sure it is strong and secure. After resetting, you should be able to log into your account. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to recover your Ninja Forms account without needing your phone number. Good luck!